Hello and welcome to Mr. Shaves. Today I'm going to be shaving with two odd things and I hope you enjoy it. First of all, I'm going to be shaving with something consistent, calm, stable, something you can rely on. Tabac. Original. Post-shave, aftershave is going to be the Tabac. That stuff, which I like a lot. So, yeah. It's a Temu thing again. It's this. This is an odd Temu razor that I found online for like £11. It's very odd. Hold on. So here we go. We're going to put this, which is called colourlamb, odd. So we're going to put it inside here. So we pop it on the top. It fits into the grooves, as you can see, kind of slots in. And then you put the top on, like that. And there you go. That is ready to use. Whilst we're waiting, whilst we're in between, we're going to open this up. This is a batarang from Tools UK that was purchased for me by my son. Let's just come straight off, so that's helpful. That's the grip. So we'll open that up. It's one of those ones where you split it apart a bit and then put it in. So let's have a go. So we separate the blades and put in the other one. You rest it, kind of, it's got grooves. So you put it on there, a bit faffy. It's a bit of a fiddle, this one. Right, it's gone in. Okay, and then we put the top on. That keeps it all together as if by magic. There you go. So that's ready to go, as is. Feels quite exposed, that. But what the novelty is, it's in the shape of a batarang. Well, batarang. So let's lather up. First of all, wet the face. It's always good to wet the face, makes it go much better. Much better for the skin. Opens up your pores. You don't get infections or rashes as much. It feels good. Okay. Now I'm going to lather. This is an Old Faithful. I think it's quite well respected as a kind of soap. Really nice smell, consistently, just really, really good. It's probably my default favourite one. I think loads of people like this one, and I can see why. Bought this in Boots in the UK. Still had that in Boots. I don't think I see much in the way of wet shaving stuff in there now, but even still, I saw it and I bought it. And look at, I've had this for about a year, and well, that lasts. So, gathered a lot up with my Temu brush that was like £7. I'm going to put it in the bowl and swirl. Needs a bit of water, dab it in the water, spin it around. It smells so fresh. It's just kind of like a soapy smell, but got a distinctive kind of lower notes, lower tones, thanks to the wonders of Tabac. Okay. Always feels really smooth, good on the face. I hope you're well. Thoughts go out to the people in Texas. I heard there was like a horrendous kind of flood. Stuff going on all over the place. It's all the news. Well, it's just crazy. Over in the UK it's been really, really hot. But today we had a bit of rain. You know. There you go, that feels really nice. You can feel it kind of soaking into the skin. So here we go with a rattling old thing. Here we go. It feels odd having such a big bulky handle. Doesn't feel too bad. It's got quite a slim head, as you can see. So that makes it easier to negotiate the bearded people. There's a bit of a disconnect between, because it's so big, you don't feel all the kind of subtle moves because it's almost got like suspension because there's so much of a wobble. I'm not sure if it doesn't feel particularly tight, sharp. Probably is quite mild. Yeah, it's mild. And that's with a feather blade. Yeah, it needs another go. It's nice to have something a bit different though, isn't it? It's like you can keep this in a toolbox. Or just keep that in the box with the screwdrivers, pliers. So there you go, that's that. Now we're going to try the wonderful looking batarang shavette. So we're going to, just because I want to trim down the corners and the edges a bit more, I'm going to just gently wipe away some of the soap so it's still slippy. But I can see what I'm doing a bit more. Feels nice. The handle's actually bizarrely easy to grip. And obviously it's just a razor on the end, but it feels quite nice. Yeah, I can't complain. It's just a shavette. Feels nice. Ah, feels all right. No, I'm going to show you. Let's lather up one more time. Oh, Tabac. I love you, Tabac. So here we go again with the, I keep forgetting the blooming name of it. Colourlamb. Colourlamb. Okay. It's really mild. So mild that when you've got a bit of soap, it doesn't feel like it's doing as well. You know, sometimes when they shop, they just plough through everything, but because it's so mild, okay, that's that. Let's roll it down. Sorry about the blood. That's the new razor. New feather blade, that's what you get. This feels nice. I like the grip. It's easy turnable because this bit here kind of turns easily. Feels good. Tidy up. Right, that's done. Okay, let's wipe all the blood off. And it's typical because I haven't got my my block to get rid of it. Okay, what would I say? So let's just first of all, let's put on some Tabac. It's a lovely smell, lasts for a good while. It's not the longest lasting smell, Tabac. But it's great. It really wakes you up. You feel fresh for the rest of the day. So all in all, the colourlamb, I would say it feels alright, it's very mild. It's great that it folds away, but it doesn't fold away. Oh no, it folds away, it's the other way around. There you go, it folds away. So that's, in a way, that's good for travel. It's very rattly, it's almost like suspended, so it's not very sharp. Well, obviously, one would assume it is sharp, but you know, it's got a blade on it, but it doesn't. It's still not the smoothest shave under there, but it's all right. This Tools and Tools batarang shavette, I think it looks really good. It feels good to hold, and it's sharp. So all in all, and that wasn't expensive. It was given to me as a gift, so I'm not going to tell you how much, but it was under £20. But yeah, it's novel looking, proper wood, it's not plastic, and it's a good, it feels good to kind of turn if you're kind of twisting to get rid of the bits underneath the nose. It's really useful. You can really know where you are without having to look at the blade. So all in all, very pleased. Thank you very much. Hope you have a nice day, and you know what, goodbye.